Welcome back to Easy and Crafty. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY to make a beautiful, everlasting paper flower bouquet. Stick around to learn how to transform plain paper into gorgeous petals in just 60 seconds. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Easy and Crafty YouTube channel for more fun crafty videos. See you next time!